Okay, you want to start cutting it open? Yeah. Welcome back. And if you're brand new here, we are Stephen and Nudge. Okay, let's go like this. Hold this and we'll pull it right down to the floor. Oh, my back. See, that's why I'm doing this, folks, because of my back. It's kind of a mess, but as long as it goes back into the box, it should be fine. Okay, those are the legs. Okay, so this is step 2. Put this bar, goes in this hole first, and then in here and there. Okay, so now we got to figure out what's step 3. So I'll read this. Okay.
Okay, the video now. Really? Well, this is loose now. But I guess I really don't need that. But whatever. Seat belts on. Okay, so go back. Slash you kind of make.
Yeah, give me.
Okay, which side is which here? Let me look at the book again. Okay, this is the top part. Down, yeah, because this part is showing at the bottom. So this. But I don't know which is which. They numbered them and all this other crap, but they didn't put the numbers on here. They just got these letters that don't match up with their book. So that we need this.
We need this and this.
No, this is too small for this. Look, those will sink right through. And 4 of these. Okay, are these lock washers? No. Okay. Okay. Okay, so you got it there. I'll put one through here, just so it's in place. Just move it over like this. Put this on here. And it does say do not tighten it all the way, just put it on. So it's one of these deals. If I had my ratchet, I can get it from the car, it would actually work better, but I hope we got it the right way, but it's only one way to find out. Here, can you hold that like that? Because then I need to, maybe that's why they're binding. Did you find it?
Yeah.
So that's not tight, but I just want to show what we've done here. So we just put these on, and the book says do not snug that up just yet. But I've just put them on so it don't fall out. So that's there, that's attached to here. So that's that. Yeah, and I was even, when I was looking in my toolbox even, but the, whatchamacallit, I'm missing a lot of sockets, which I don't understand why.
In your car.
Yeah. Oh, my back. Actually, that tool you just found would be beneficial for this. And what did you say?
You say you didn't have something like ankle?
Yeah, there's more than that missing. There's a few things missing. Those little tiny things. Oh, my back. This is charged. Comment below if you can remember how many times in this video I moaned about my back. This is putting the strap on. They called it webbing. I thought we were missing pieces, but that's it. Okay, I got the other screw started on the other side too there, Nutch, right there. You see it? Here, you see it?
Mm-hmm.
It's where power tools come in handy, but I don't have the exact piece that I need for my power tool.
Almost done.
Yeah, so far it's only been 2 hours, 15 minutes.
Louis, no, you didn't know.
Well, he said an hour and a half. Well, that's because I had to do some other stuff too. I took some parts apart to get it to make it easier. I like turned it around, and plus we I put it together, and then realized the strap was needing to go on there. Okay. There's only 2 of these left, and we might.
This is, I have to put here, yes or no?
Yeah, they go there. Yeah. The only problem is, look at, there's 4 holes, and there's only 2 of these left. Oh yeah, 1 here, 1 there. 4 holes. Man, but where is it? Should I put it? It's not funny. Silly guy, eh? 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe they're spares.
Oh, they keep you.
Maybe they're spares.
Or extra.
Because I don't see. Oh. Well, see, they actually, in case you want to change this for this. Because look at, see there, they're showing this.
Yeah.
But look on this picture. Look at that picture.
Somebody.
In case you don't want to use these, maybe.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I don't know how. Oh, it's got Velcro. See the Velcro? There's Velcro on the back. So put that under. I'll show you in a minute. See the black straps on there? Nudge on the thing you're holding in your hand. See the thing you're holding on your hand? See those black straps?
Yeah.
So put it on the front. But yeah, exactly. Like that, and it attaches on the back. You see? But I guess you got to move it to where you need it on your back, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's done.
Almost. And see that ball there that's hanging, that's a pump to pump air into that thing. There. Sucker's tagged. Okay, so that's that, and that's that.
What's about this?
Yeah, maybe it's a spare, but I mean, maybe, but I gotta see if this goes through here. Like, this is where I took this out of.
Maybe still go to the
No, I don't think that's how it goes, because that's not gonna move, or will it? So let's see. Okay, so yeah, so if you push down on this, yeah. So you can set that wherever you want, right? Either here, here.
Yeah, put the.
Okay. Let's check and see if everything's tight here. No, it's okay, Nutch. I'll get up. I'll get up. Just give me a minute.
Okay, the video now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, this is loose now. But I guess I really don't need that, but whatever. The seat belt's on. Okay, so go back. So I can kind of make myself go slowly. And there. There. Okay. Can you still see me on the video, Dutch?
Yeah.
So I guess you gotta use the grabbers to.
Yeah, I guess so. That's okay. And
But so far you did a good job putting it together.
well, it took 2 hours. Well, I made some, not modifications, but I took some stuff apart and changed the positioning of the nuts and screws because it was easier. The tools they gave, I ended up using my own ratchet, and to put the ratchet on, I changed the nuts and bolts in a different direction than the way they had it. Just so I could use the ratchet, but it worked out fine.
So, okay, so you don't want to be inverted too long.
Yeah, come back. Like,
Why? It feels good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you own it now for 90 days, so if you could, eventually try it more.
This would probably be for this.
Just your.
I wonder if this was supposed to be for the shoulders, but it only had that one hole, so I can't adjust that.
Oh, it's not adjustable.
No, it only had the one hole to go through.
It's really loose.
Yeah, I don't think I need it actually.
No, you need it.
So you have one extra pin.
Well, we don't know what to do with that small pin. We thought it was for there, but like you said, if it's in there, I wouldn't be able to release myself.
Well, with that extra pin, your wife could keep you there, and you could never get back up.
Without breaking my foot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, just keep you prisoner upside down.
Yeah. But this thing is heavy and it's pretty big, so I don't know where the heck we're gonna put it to get it out of the way.
Like you said, you had a big closet.
No, we got a storeroom, but it's full of crap. It's already full of stuff.
Yeah, I thought they had two wheels on the bottom.
No, they don't. They're just pads like this.
Oh yeah.
They're just protectors from the sharp edges, is all.
So I guess you got to use the grabbers to.
Yeah, I guess so. That's okay.
But so far you did a good job putting it together.
Well, it took 2 hours. Well, I made some not modifications, but I took some stuff apart and changed the positioning of the nuts and screws because it was easier. The tools they gave,
Yeah.
I ended up using my own ratchet, and put the ratchet on, I changed the nuts and bolts in a different direction.
Yeah.
The way they had it.
Yeah.
So I could use the ratchet, but it worked out fine.
So, okay. So you don't want to be inverted too long.
Why? It feels good. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you own it now for 90 days. So if you you could eventually try it more. But
This would probably be.
That's the low.
I wonder if this was supposed to be for the shoulders, but it only had that one hole, so I can't adjust that.
oh, it's not adjustable. Okay.
No, it only had the one hole to go through.
Well, so
Yeah, I don't think I need it actually.
so you have one extra pin.
Well, we don't know what to do with that small pin. We thought it was for there, but like you said, if it's in there, I wouldn't be able to release myself.
Well, with that extra pin, your wife could keep you there, and you could never get back up.
Without breaking my foot.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
she'd keep you prisoner, upside down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this thing is heavy and it's pretty big, so I don't know where the heck we're gonna put it.
Well, I thought you said you had a big closet.
No, we got a storeroom, but it's full of crap.
Yeah, but
Already full of stuff.
I thought they had two wheels on the bottom.
No, they don't.
Oh.
They're just pads like this.
Oh yeah.
They're just protectors from the sharp edges. That's all.
Okay, I think some of them have.
If it says anything about the degree, yeah, you can turn it off.
Yeah,
There's a bunch of words here, but I'd have to
yeah.
picture and
That's
zoom
right.
in.
That's right. Those are the bars that tell you the degree right there.
Okay.
Where you put the bar, that'd be the degree. If you get your reading glasses on, you'll be able to see it. But yeah.
Yeah, but we don't know where to put that.
Yeah, well, what can I say about that? I think you got it all done. I don't know. Well,
Yeah.
that's a good job. Yeah, okay, sounds good.
But yeah, if it says anything about the
I turn off the
degree,
video.
yeah,
Okay.
you can turn it off. Yeah.